Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully, you are doing well. After a long time, I am back on screen. From now on, I will upload new videos for you about trading. So, guys, my intro video is very necessary because the YouTube policies are very strict and quit now. So, guys, if my video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.
Traders don't lose because they can't read charts. They lose because they can't read themselves. They understand support and resistance. They know moving averages, breakouts, and candlestick patterns. But the moment the market moves against them, their mindset collapses before their strategy ever does. That's the truth many traders avoid. The market isn't your real opponent. Your impatience is. Your fear is. Your greed is. Your need to always be right is. That constant urge to make money fast is what really works against you. A person can sit in front of the perfect setup and still lose everything if their mindset is weak. Because trading isn't just about price movement. It's about handling pressure. And the one who can't handle pressure will always transfer money to the one who can. I've seen confident traders enter the market and walk away full of regret. I've seen small losses turn into disasters simply because someone couldn't accept being wrong. I've seen traders make solid profits, then lose it all chasing more. And I've also seen quiet, patient individuals build real wealth, not because they were smarter, but because they made one critical shift. They stopped trying to control the market and started controlling themselves. Most beginners enter trading thinking it's all about finding the perfect strategy. They jump from one system to another. One day it's support and resistance, the next it's indicators, then price action, then trend lines, then scalping, then signals. But the results don't change. Why? Because the issue often isn't the strategy, it's the execution. They enter too early, exit too late, move their stop loss, chase trades, overtrade after losses, or take profits too quickly out of fear. That's not a strategy problem. That's a mindset problem. The market doesn't create your weaknesses. It exposes them. If you're impatient, you'll chase. If you're greedy, you'll overtrade. If you're fearful, you'll cut winners short. If you're stubborn, you'll hold losing trades. The chart simply reveals who you really are under pressure. Many traders think they're disciplined until real money is involved. They think they're calm until the first loss hits. Trading doesn't test your knowledge. It tests your character. And this is where most people fail. They try to master the market before mastering themselves. A losing mindset sounds like this: I need to catch every move. I can't miss this trade. This setup is good enough. I'll just adjust my stop loss this time. The market will come back. I know I'm right. These thoughts seem small, but they lead to big damage. After one loss, the ego gets involved. Now it's not about trading anymore. It's about proving something. Revenge trading begins. Risk increases. Discipline disappears. At that point, you're not trading the market. You're reacting to your emotions. And emotional traders are easy targets. The real shift happens when you stop focusing on winning every trade and start focusing on following a solid process. A gambler looks for excitement. A trader looks for consistency. A gambler asks, how much can I make? A trader asks, how much can I lose if I'm wrong? That one question changes everything. Professionals think about risk before reward. They know exactly where they're wrong before entering a trade. They accept the loss before it happens. That's what keeps them calm when pressure hits. Most traders decide under stress. Professionals decide before stress. There's a moment every serious trader faces. Sitting alone after repeated losses, realizing the problem isn't the market. It's their own behavior. They start noticing patterns. Entering late, exiting early, chasing moves, ignoring rules, acting out of fear or ego. And that's when things begin to change. They stop asking, how can I make more money? And start asking, how can I become more disciplined? That's the turning point. Trading isn't about being right. It's about managing risk. You can be right and still lose money, and you can be wrong many times and still grow your account. The difference is simple. Keep losses small. Let winners grow. Weak traders do the opposite. They take profits too early and let losses run. Strong traders cut losses quickly and give winning trades space to develop. Your opinion doesn't move the market. Price does. If price proves you wrong, you exit. No hesitation. No excuses. Patience is one of the most valuable skills in trading, yet most people ignore it. Beginners think more action means more profit. Professionals know better. They wait. They observe. They act only when the setup is clear. Not every move belongs to you. Missing a trade is better than forcing one. Missed opportunities hurt your ego. Bad trades damage your account. Focus on protecting your capital first. Opportunities will always come. To improve, a trader needs structure. A simple system for the mind. Accept that losses are part of the game. Define your risk before entering. Stop chasing the market. Trade less, but with better quality. Review your behavior daily, not just your results. This is how real growth happens. Even profits can become dangerous. Winning can lead to overconfidence. Rules start to fade. Risk increases. Then one bad trade wipes everything out. Every trade is independent. Yesterday's win doesn't guarantee today's success. Real confidence doesn't come from predicting the market. It comes from knowing how you will respond, no matter what happens. If the trade fails, you know what to do. If it works, you know how to manage it. If there's no setup, you know how to wait. That's real confidence. The goal isn't to win today. The goal is to survive long enough to become consistent. Most people rush. They want quick results. But trading rewards patience, not speed. If you stay in the game long enough, you learn. If you learn, you improve. If you improve, you become consistent. And consistency is where real progress begins. So if you're struggling, understand this clearly. You don't need more excitement. You need more control. You don't need more trades. You need better discipline. You don't need to prove anything to the market. You need to protect yourself from your own emotions, because the market will test everything. Your patience, your ego, your discipline. Every time you break your rules, you pay for it. Every time you follow them, even in a loss, you grow stronger. A losing trade can still be a good trade if you followed your plan. A winning trade can still be a bad one if you broke your rules. Professionals focus on execution. Money follows over time. So become the trader who waits. The trader who respects risk. The trader who stays calm while others panic. The market will always be there. Opportunities will keep coming. But your capital, your discipline, and your mindset must be protected. Because once you master yourself, everything becomes clearer. Not easier. Just clearer. And that's when trading finally starts to make sense.